can you say hi? This is the final outcome of Jack's first attempt at eating applesauce by himself. All over his shirt, all over the bowl, all over the tray, all over his face. The yum yum yum. Num num num. Jack, can you blow a kiss? Very good.
Okay.
Jack, is it yummy? Jack. Jack, is it yum yum yum? Is there any more left?